Hello guys, my name is Alexander Stepanov and I'm gonna show you the perfect transformation of bulky trapezoid nails to the perfect square-shaped nails. I like sharing with you all details of my work, and after my subscribers achieved fantastic results, I decided to publish more videos with new techniques and with new hacks. As you can see, the hardware manicure improved a lot. Now we can use all the one drill bit for removing the pterygia and the dead skin from the nail plate. We can also clean lateral pads, working with the left side with a 4-speed and with the right pad with a reverse speed. And this is amazing that we can make a lot of work using only one drill bit. Before placing nail forms, we should prepare nails using my favorite zebra coffee style nail file. I'm just removing the corners of the nail plate, but don't remove the length to the limit, because if we remove the length, the nail can be broken. Even 1 millimeter can protect the nail from this. And the second, my favorite trick, I always use the same nail file. For some people it seems rude for the natural nail to shape it too much, but it really protects the nail from liftings, especially in the cuticles area. So we can do it right in the cuticles area and don't shape the whole nail plate. You can do it only in that case is when the nail plate is wet. But don't forget guys to remove all the dust after such manipulations. I'm using my favorite stylish black fish brush. I also decided to remove some particles of skin. They are so small, but they can spoil my work. I'm using the stylic snippers. They are the best I have ever used. You can try it ordering on shapeofnail.com. Applying gel primer is the main thing of your work. If you don't do it, the nail will be lifted, definitely. You should apply thin layer of the gel primer. Never use acid primers with the regular nail plate. You can use it in rare situation with wet nail plate. I'm going to tell you all my skills and techniques to teach you even do nails by your own hands, by yourself. The next important thing is the base gel. You can use the same sculpting mix gel because it's only one phase gel. You should apply only one thin layer of the sculpting mix gel by shapeofnail.com and curve this layer in lead lamp in 1 minute. And as a primering layer, this layer is very important because it creates the adhesion between the natural nail and the sculpting layer. So once the nail had been curved in 1 minute at lead lamp, I decided to place the form, but the nail is so bulky and wide, so I decided to engrave the shape of the natural nail in the nail form. I'm using the simple scissors. If you are the beginner, you can try a lot of times, because sometimes we can't engrave exactly that shape we need, and it's normal when you have some faults. So after, you should place it as perfectly as you can, because everything depends of how you place the form. This is not acrylic product when you can bend it to the every side you like. This will be curved only in that way you have placed this form. And now I'm gonna show you how to sculpt the free edge using the same sculpting mix gel. Please pay attention guys that I'm using the same product for placing the base coat. For applying the free edge, as you can see, I'm using only small drop for sculpting the free edge. You shouldn't place too much product because it will be flowed and it would spoil your work. The layer should be maximum thin as you can place, and you should try to do it as fast as you can. Of course, professionals can do it very fast and no one drop of gel is flowing down. but for the beginner it's better to apply thin layers. Sometimes you can apply not only one layer and cure each layer in LED lamp in 1 minute. So cure it in 1 minute in LED lamp. After curing the nail, you should apply the next layer. This is the stress zone. This is the thin line on the vertical axis of the nail plate. This will be something like the framework for the main builder cut. The product is liquid enough. It's impossible to place such thick layer. It will be definitely flow down. So when we sculpt nails, it's better to apply such thin vertical line, because it creates the perfect framework for your builder cut, and on the next cut you will see that. I want to remind you guys that we should cure this layer in 1 minute in LED lamp, the powerful LED lamp 48 watt. You can apply the builder cut with a larger drop, but be reminded that you should keep the nail at the angle to the downside, because in the opposite way the gel is flowing in the cuticles area. And this is the main fault and the main problem that you can ever have, because it will not be easy to remove the gel from underneath of cuticles. If you are the beginner, it's better to load less product on the brush and apply thinner layers. I know some professionals can apply simultaneously gel on all fingers, on all nails, and cure all nails simultaneously. But this technique only for those guys who trained a lot and had a lot of practice. As for me, I worked with this sculpting mix gel all my life, and I can do that easily. In the next videos I'm gonna show you that. But now I'm going to remind you that the builder cut you should cure 2 minutes in LED lamp, because the builder cut is the thicker than previous layers. After the gel has been polymerized, we are removing the hand and removing the thick tacky layer from the nail using the cleaner. If you did everything perfectly, the nail is already sculpted. The nail is in the perfect shape, and we just need only to shape corners of the nail. If you notice that product is soft, you can cure the nail again in 1 minute in LED lamp. When all nails are done, we can proceed with the nail design. Today I'm gonna show you the perfect life hack for the beginner how to apply easily the French manicure. At first we should buff the nail plate, because the gel paint stays better on the buffed surface. Then we're using the gel paint for the French manicure by shape of nail. It's high pigmented and it's suitable for such nail design. We just need to make the gradient trick on the piece of silicone and press the nail with the angle into this piece of silicone. You can twist it to the direction that you need to create the perfect smile line. After cure of this layer in LED lamp in 1 minute, you can draw some details with any brush. I'm not gonna this nail design to become yellowing, that's why I'm using the exclusive top coat anti-yellowing with a filter by Shape of Nail Top Comb. It gives the perfect blinks, the perfect gloss, and protects from UV light, because some top coats of other brands gives yellowing even after curing in LED lamp. But take a look, such perfect transformation. I have never expected that nail can be changed this way and look absolutely different. I give the guarantee that these nails will stay on more than 1 month, because I made them using premium segment products by Shape of Nail Top Comb.